This means the plane was hit between 10:30 to 10:53 a.m. Kazakh time by the Russian anti-air defense system. The Pantsir air defense system's radar scans the surrounding airspace, continuously detecting and identifying potential threats, such as this Embraer E-jet. Once a target is identified, the system initiates tracking using its integrated radar and optical sensors. These components work together to calculate the target's trajectory, speed, and other critical engagement parameters necessary for interception. Based on the target's range, speed, and altitude, the Pantsir system determines the most effective response, whether to launch a missile or engage with its high-speed autocannons. In this scenario, the plane is flying at a significantly higher altitude, rendering the cannons ineffective. Consequently, the system opts to deploy a missile as the optimal weapon for engagement. The missile is launched vertically from its sealed canister. It uses its advanced onboard guidance system to navigate with precision towards the designated target. As the missile approaches, its onboard sensors continue to track the civilian aircraft, which in this case is tragically identified as an Azerbaijani civilian aircraft. The missile carries a 25-kilogram high-explosive warhead. Upon reaching the target, the warhead detonates, releasing an intense explosion. The explosion occurs near the side of the aircraft, causing catastrophic damage to its tail section. The resulting shrapnel penetrates the fuselage, inflicting severe internal structural damage. This devastating impact destabilizes the aircraft, leading to an uncontrollable descent. The severely damaged plane crashes near Akta Airport, resulting in a tragic loss of life and a devastating outcome for all those on board. This Russian Pantsir has been very successful in Ukraine in taking out drones that resemble Cessna aircraft. The Pantsir is equipped with two armaments, a missile system and a 30mm gun. This is the UG-22 drone that can carry 82mm mortar rounds that the Russian mistook for the Azerbaijani plane. When this Cessna-like drone enters Russian territory, the Pantsir's radar tracks it and selects the missile option to launch and destroy the drone as it flies at a very high altitude. The Pantsir missile and gun system crews are responsible for monitoring and securing the airspace in designated areas, typically a few kilometers from populated regions, to ensure the safety of civilians. Once a target is detected, the Pantsir system tracks and destroys it at a range of up to 20 kilometers before relocating. Since the beginning of the operation, Russian Pantsir missile defense systems have reportedly destroyed more than 400 drones and numerous military aircraft. As we examine the damage caused by the air defense missile strike on the Embraer 190, it's important to note that the tail section of the aircraft was found upside down in the field,